Blood. China's rice-based blood production technology, a brilliant new star. Why can Chinese people make blood from rice? And why can't Europe and America? Can you imagine? The rice you eat every day could actually become life-saving blood. This technology, which sounds like something out of science fiction, has been made a reality by Chinese scientists. Just this year, https://www.google.com/search?Q=science-cctv.com reported a groundbreaking scientific achievement that shocked the world. A biopharmaceutical company in Wuhan, after 20 years of relentless effort, successfully developed the world's first rice-based blood production technology. On July 18, the official website of the National Medical Products Administration announced that the company's application for the world's first recombinant human albumin injection had been approved for market release. This news marks the official transition of rice-based blood production technology from the laboratory to clinical use, bringing hope to countless patients. Today, let's talk about this amazing technology and see how tiny grains of rice can carry the weight of life, unraveling the bloody enigma that has plagued humanity for half a century. We will also explore what this technology means for the global biopharmaceutical industry and how it will change our future. 1. What exactly is rice-based blood production? Simply put, rice-based blood production technology uses rice seeds as bioreactors. During the growth of the rice, it automatically synthesizes human serum albumin. This is then extracted and purified through multiple processes to ultimately obtain high-purity human serum albumin. Human serum albumin, commonly known as golden life-saving medicine, is widely used in the treatment of various diseases such as blood loss, cirrhosis, and cancer, making it an indispensable and important drug in clinical practice. In the past, human serum albumin was primarily extracted from blood plasma. This method was not only inefficient but also carried numerous risks. Statistics show that traditional processes can only extract 2.5 kilograms of albumin from every 1,000 kilograms of plasma. This method relies on blood collection vehicles, consuming significant human and material resources, and carries the risk of transmitting viruses like HIV and hepatitis. Furthermore, the shortage of plasma supply is a global challenge. China faces a domestic production gap as high as 62%, requiring large-scale annual imports, with import prices soaring to 400 to 500 yuan per bottle. For example, last year, the total amount of domestically produced and imported human serum albumin exceeded 1,000 tons, but imported drugs accounted for over 69%, leaving countless families in despair due to high drug prices. In contrast, rice-based blood production technology offers clear advantages. According to Professor Yang Zicheng's team, 50 kilograms of rice can yield the same amount of human serum albumin as 5 liters of plasma, with a purity as high as 99.999%. Its efficacy is completely consistent with plasma-extracted products. Moreover, as long as there is water, sunlight, and nutrients, rice can continuously produce high-purity human serum albumin. 1 acre of rice paddies can produce human serum albumin equivalent to the total donation from 520 people. This means we are no longer reliant on a limited plasma supply, and the risk of virus transmission is greatly reduced, providing patients with a safer and more reliable source of medication. The significance of this technological revolution, from plasma extraction to rice synthesis, is self-evident. It not only solves the problems of human serum albumin production capacity and safety, but also opens up a brand new path for the biopharmaceutical industry. In today's increasingly fierce global biopharmaceutical competition, China's rice-based blood production technology has undoubtedly become a shining new star, showcasing the power of Chinese innovation to the world. Previously, European and American countries dominated the biopharmaceutical field, monopolizing many key technologies and high-end drugs. However, with rice-based blood production technology, China has achieved a curve overtake, making a breakthrough first. Behind this lies years of silent dedication and relentless effort by Chinese scientists, and it is also a result of China's high emphasis on scientific and technological innovation. Perhaps European and American countries never imagined that seemingly ordinary rice could be transformed into life-saving, liquid gold by the Chinese. The success of this technology not only breaks part of the European and American monopoly in the biopharmaceutical field but also provides valuable lessons for other developing countries, proving that sustained innovation can secure a place on the international stage. 2. Fierce competition in the global biopharmaceutical industry. The biopharmaceutical industry has always been a focal point of global technological competition. It concerns human health and well-being and holds enormous economic potential. In recent years, with the rapid development of technology, countries worldwide have increased their investment in the biopharmaceutical field, and a silent war without smoke is quietly unfolding. In European and American countries, the biopharmaceutical industry has developed into a mature and powerful pillar industry. Taking the United States as an example, its investment in biopharmaceutical R&D consistently ranks first globally. The influx of substantial funds attracts top scientific talent worldwide, driving breakthroughs in a series of cutting-edge technologies. American biopharmaceutical companies, such as Johnson & Johnson and Pfizer, hold significant positions globally. They not only possess advanced R&D technologies but have also established complete industrial chains and sales networks, developing numerous new drugs annually and dominating the direction of the global pharmaceutical market. Europe is equally determined, with countries like the UK, Germany, and Switzerland each specializing in biopharmaceuticals. The UK excels in innovative research in biopharmaceuticals, boasting numerous top research institutions and universities that provide strong intellectual support for industrial development. Germany has a leading advantage in medical devices and high-end pharmaceutical equipment, with its rigorous manufacturing processes and advanced technology ensuring high quality and efficiency in drug production. Swiss pharmaceutical companies, such as Roche and Novartis, are renowned for their exceptional innovation capabilities and strong R&D strength, achieving significant breakthroughs in drug development for areas like oncology and cardiovascular diseases. In this global competition, although China's biopharmaceutical industry started late, it has developed rapidly. In recent years, the Chinese government has introduced a series of supportive policies, increasing funding for biopharmaceutical R&D, encouraging innovation, and attracting a large number of talented individuals to return. Domestic biopharmaceutical companies have sprung up like mushrooms, not only gradually narrowing the gap with international standards in the generic drug field but also achieving a series of breakthroughs in innovative drug R&D. In addition to rice-based blood production technology, China has made significant progress in cutting-edge fields such as CAR T-cell therapy and gene editing technology, with more and more domestically produced innovative drugs entering the international market and participating in global competition. However, we must also soberly recognize that compared with developed European and American countries, China's biopharmaceutical industry still faces numerous challenges. In terms of basic research, our investment is relatively insufficient, and scientific research capabilities need further improvement. In terms of high-end talent, while a large number of talents have returned, the number of top-tier professionals is still limited compared to European and American countries. In terms of industrial ecosystem, China's biopharmaceutical industry chain is not yet complete, and the collaborative innovation capabilities between upstream and downstream enterprises need to be strengthened. Furthermore, European and American biopharmaceutical companies, relying on their first-mover advantage, have established strong brand barriers and patent protection systems, which pose certain obstacles to the international development of Chinese enterprises. Against the backdrop of fierce global competition in the biopharmaceutical industry, the success of rice-based blood production technology has undoubtedly given a strong boost to China's biopharmaceutical industry. It not only demonstrates China's innovation capabilities in the biopharmaceutical field but also provides a powerful weapon for Chinese enterprises to participate in global competition. However, we cannot be complacent. We must continue to increase investment, strengthen basic research, improve the industrial ecosystem, cultivate more high-end talents, and continuously enhance the overall competitiveness of China's biopharmaceutical industry to occupy a more important position on the global stage. The leading position of European and American countries in the biopharmaceutical field is not insurmountable. As long as we persevere in innovation, we will certainly achieve the transformation from a follower to a leader. 3. The global impact of rice-based blood production technology. The success of rice-based blood production technology will have a profound impact not only within China but also on the global biopharmaceutical industry and the health and well-being of all humanity. From a medical perspective, this technology brings tangible benefits to patients worldwide. For those relying on human serum albumin for treatment, such as severely ill patients with cirrhosis or cancer, a stable and safe supply of medication is their hope for continued life. In the past, due to the limitations of plasma extraction, many patients faced drug shortages and the predicament of high drug prices. Now, rice-based blood production technology enables large-scale, low-cost production of human serum albumin, greatly improving drug accessibility. It is expected that as the technology is further promoted and production capacity increases, the price of human serum albumin will gradually decrease, making it affordable for more patients. This will directly improve the treatment outcomes of millions of patients worldwide, enhance their quality of life, and even save countless lives. In terms of global public health security, rice-based blood production technology also holds significant importance. The risk of virus transmission inherent in traditional plasma extraction methods has always been a major hidden danger in global public health. Should large-scale blood-borne disease transmission occur, the consequences would be unimaginable. Rice-based blood production technology completely eliminates the risk of virus transmission at the source, providing a more reliable guarantee for global public health security. In the face of sudden public health events, such as a global pandemic, a stable drug supply capacity is crucial. The rapid expansion capability of rice-based blood production technology can provide a large amount of urgently needed medication for epidemic prevention and control in a short time, effectively enhancing the global ability to respond to public health crises. From an industrial development perspective, rice-based blood production technology brings new development ideas and directions to the global biopharmaceutical industry. It demonstrates the enormous potential of using plant bioreactors to produce medicinal proteins, inspiring more researchers and enterprises to engage in research and development in this field. This will drive the global biopharmaceutical industry towards a more diversified and environmentally friendly direction, promoting continuous innovation and breakthroughs in related technologies. At the same time, as the rice-based blood production technology industry chain continues to improve, it will drive the synergistic development of upstream and downstream related industries, creating more employment opportunities and economic benefits, and injecting new impetus into global economic growth. If this technology can be widely promoted globally, its impact will be even more far-reaching. It is expected to change the landscape of the global human serum albumin market, breaking the existing supply-demand imbalance, enabling more developing countries to achieve self-sufficiency in medicines, reducing reliance on imports, and promoting global medical equity. Even more exciting, rice-based blood production technology may only be the beginning. The new research fields and technological pathways it opens might trigger a series of chain reactions, giving rise to more innovative biopharmaceutical technologies and products, ultimately leading to an increase in average human lifespan and bringing revolutionary changes to human health. European and American countries have consistently led the way in the biopharmaceutical industry, but the emergence of rice-based blood production technology offers new possibilities to the world and provides an opportunity for other countries to surpass them in this field. 4. The future path of China's biopharmaceutical industry. The success of China's rice-based blood production technology is undoubtedly a significant milestone in the development of China's biopharmaceutical industry. It signifies that China's biopharmaceutical industry is undergoing a magnificent transformation from made in China to created in China, from imitation to innovation. However, this is just the beginning. China's biopharmaceutical industry still has a long way to go to secure a more stable position on the global stage. Looking back, for a considerable period, China's biopharmaceutical industry primarily focused on imitating foreign drugs. While generic drugs played an important role in meeting basic domestic medical needs, an industrial model lacking innovation capability struggled to achieve sustainable development in global competition. In recent years, with the nation's strong emphasis on scientific and technological innovation, the introduction of a series of encouraging policies, and substantial capital investment, China's biopharmaceutical industry has entered a golden age of innovative development. More and more enterprises are increasing R&D investment and actively planning in the field of innovative drug R&D, leading to the emergence of a number of internationally competitive innovative achievements, such as rice-based blood production technology. Looking ahead, China's biopharmaceutical industry must continue to adhere to an innovation-driven development strategy. On one hand, we must further increase investment in basic research. Basic research is the source of scientific and technological innovation. Only by achieving breakthroughs in basic research can we provide solid theoretical support for applied research and product development. Government, research institutions, and enterprises should work together to establish diversified investment mechanisms to attract more excellent talents to basic research. On the other hand, we must strengthen collaborative innovation among industry, academia, research, and application. Innovation in the biopharmaceutical industry requires close cooperation among universities, research institutions, enterprises, and clinical medical institutions. Universities and research institutions provide cutting-edge scientific research results. Enterprises are responsible for transforming these results into actual products, and clinical medical institutions provide clinical needs and validation for product development. By establishing a more efficient collaboration mechanism, we can accelerate the transformation and application of scientific and technological achievements, and improve the efficiency of industrial innovation. Furthermore, talent cultivation is also key to the development of China's biopharmaceutical industry. The biopharmaceutical field is a knowledge-intensive and technology-intensive industry, requiring a large number of high-quality professional talents. We need to strengthen education in biopharmaceutical-related disciplines, optimize the talent training system, and focus on cultivating students' innovative thinking and practical abilities. At the same time, we must create a favorable talent development environment to attract and retain outstanding domestic and international talents, providing strong intellectual support for industrial development. In terms of international cooperation, China's biopharmaceutical industry should actively integrate into the global innovation network. While we have made breakthroughs in some areas, there is still a gap in overall strength compared to developed European and American countries. By strengthening international cooperation, we can learn from foreign advanced technologies and experiences, introduce high-quality resources, and enhance our own innovation capabilities and international competitiveness. At the same time, we must actively promote domestically developed innovative drugs to the international market, participate in global competition, and enhance the international influence of China's biopharmaceutical industry. Rice-based blood production technology has set a good precedent for the future development of China's biopharmaceutical industry, but we cannot be satisfied with this. In today's increasingly fierce global technological competition, China's biopharmaceutical industry must, with even stronger determination and more effective measures, continuously promote innovative development and strive to achieve the leap from follower to leader, contributing more Chinese wisdom and Chinese strength to the development of the global biopharmaceutical industry, and making China's created biopharmaceutical technologies benefit all humanity. The leading position of European and American countries in the biopharmaceutical field is not insurmountable. As long as we unswervingly pursue the path of innovation, we will surely stand out in future global competition. In this era of rapidly advancing technological innovation, China's rice-based blood production technology is undoubtedly a brilliant new star. It not only brings hope to countless patients but also injects new vitality into the global biopharmaceutical industry. We look forward to the widespread application of this technology globally, benefiting more people. At the same time, we also hope that Chinese scientists will continue to forge ahead and achieve breakthroughs in more fields, making greater contributions to human health and scientific progress. If you are interested in this amazing technology or have any thoughts and insights, please feel free to leave a comment and share. Let's pay attention to technological innovation together and look forward to a better future.